Leave my hand and let me go. Why have you come here?
Because you are not talking to me and you have blocked me everywhere.
Yes, because you were troubling me. Look, Dushyant, now I have a different world in which you don't exist.
Which life are you talking about, Swara? I also have a contribution in making that life.
Your contribution? You are a delivery boy. What you will do for my life?
Why did I leave my studies after 12th? Just because of you. I gave up my future so I could help you with yours. I thought that after marriage everything would be ours. But as soon as you got success, you forgot everything.
How have you supported me, huh? I did my hard work. I did studies. What contribution do you have?
I paid your college fees. When your family was not supporting you, I supported you. I used to do a job and earn 25,000 rupees and send you 15,000 rupees out of it.
So, I told you to send. You send me with your own will.
Wow, Swara. This is your way of paying back. What is happening here? Swara, who is he?
Sir, he is a delivery boy. He came here to give me an order. Just I'll come after giving the payment. You go.
Sir, she is lying. I am her boyfriend and we have been together for the past 5 years. Now she is not talking to me and she has blocked me from everywhere. You calm down. You don't think? Let's go inside and talk about it. Come. Yes, tell me. What was the matter? Sir, we used to study together in school. We both are in a relationship since 12th class. She had scored good marks in 12th, but her family did not support her. Her family did not have money to support her further studies. Then I told her not to worry. I'll do a job and you should continue your studies. Since then I'm working and I used to send her 50,000 rupees every month, sir. For the last 4 years, I have not given a single rupee to my family, nor I have bought something for me. Whatever I did for her. And today when she got a job, then she is telling me that she has a different life, in which I have no place.
Sir, he's lying. Yes, we were together in school, but we were never girlfriend-boyfriend. And I can't even think about marrying him. Where I am and where he is.
Swara, I have the chat of our relationship for the last 5 years. I have your pictures. I have the details of the money I have transferred, sir.
Yes, so I asked them, you gave it because of your will?
Are you saying truth? Sir, I can show you the details. Okay. Swara, 15,000 rupees per month means 1,80,000 per year and 7,20,000 rupees for 4 years. Can you imagine how hard he must have worked to earn that money? When your family abandoned you, then he took responsibility of you. And he performed his duties very well. He did not send even 1 rupees to his family. Do you know why? Because he considered you his home and saw his future with you. And today when you have become successful and it is your turn to do something for him, then you told him that you don't have any place in my world. Would you have repaid his favors like this?
Sir, I can't marry him. Where I am and where he is.
I think you got the answer. Yes, sir. In making someone else's future, you ruined your own future. And you did not even think about your family. I don't think you will ever learn a bigger lesson than this. And after today, whatever you want to do, whenever you want to do, whatever you do it for yourself, for your family and not for anyone else, only for your family. You are right, sir. You. How will you return all the money that was given to you?
Why will I pay them?
Then who will do? You have taken money from him. At least you should have enough shame to return his money. You can never repay his love and hard work. But you can definitely return his money, no?
Okay, when I will have, I'll give them to him.
What do you mean by when you'll have? You will have to pay his money now. We'll have to pay 50,000 rupees for the next 4 years.
15,000? Sir, my salary is 40,000. If from them I'll pay him the money, what I'll be left with?
He also used to manage expenses with 10,000 rupees. You still have 25,000 left every month.
No, sir, I can't give them.
Okay. You have signed a 5-year contract with our company. Either you return his money or you sit at home for the next 5 years.
Sir, what are you saying this? I can't sit at home. Okay, sir. I'll give him every month 15,000 rupees.
Not you, but we will deduct 15,000 rupees from his salary. And you give me your account details, and you will get 15,000 rupees every month. Let it be, sir. Whatever I did it for my love. Now that I have no love, what will I do with that money? Trust is more valuable than money. And this girl has broken my trust and made a mockery of my love. She used me as a staircase. Well, never mind, sir. God bless you and give you more success. I'm leaving, sir.